Hey folks, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. The question I got earlier today is, Teddy, how do I add another position on my LinkedIn experience section for a company that I have worked for, but I want to show it with different dates and times? And so I thought rather than answer the question, I'd create a quick little video. So if I go down to my experience section, you can see, first of all, that I worked for Burriss Consulting for the last almost 12 years. And you can see that I have a position here as LinkedIn trainer. Here's another position that I started in 2011 as a leadership coach, 2015 as a webinar producer, and then my 2010 to present career transition coach. So all four of these positions had their own specific dates each time, but they all are for roles or positions that I had for Burriss Consulting. So when I go to add a new position for Burriss Consulting, this is what I'll get. But let me make sure that you're very clear about one thing. When you go to add another position, watch this, plus, and I type in the title, testing specialist, and I choose full-time, or I could choose intern. Now, when I choose the company, you've got to do this. Type in Burriss. Don't type Burriss Consulting, Inc. and hit enter. Instead, type in Burriss Consulting and get the company to show up and select it from the list. You've got to do this. So then you've selected a company that exists on LinkedIn because it shows the logo. Now I can put the dates in to present, and I can choose to leave these positions open because I'm not closing them. I can choose not to update my headline very purposely, and then I can put in my testing description. And now I can come to the bottom, leave share off, and hit save. Ignore the add teammates unless you want to do that. And now you can see here's the newest position with dates for Burriss Consulting. The key there was to type in a little bit of the company name and select it from the list so it would put it under this company here. If you didn't select from the list, then LinkedIn is going to think it's a different company and it's going to make it a standalone entry. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope that's helpful.